Good evening, good afternoon, good morning mga bossing. Ginabi na tayo. Today is Thursday, so chest day tayo ngayon. Chest workout tayo. So kailangan nating pabilugin yung dibdib natin para ang bumanggagi ba, di ba? Sige, tara. Samahan nyo na ako. Let's go!
Yeah. You swipe left on my heart like a Tide app. Two-step verification, but you knew the trap. Said I need space, but your timeline's packed. Our flame died quicker than a birthday snap. Your lips dripped honey with a cyanide twist. Canceled our plans like a streaming service missed. We were Wi-Fi strong, but you switched to 5G speeds. Let me buffering in your cloud of deceit. Got me like spam mail, love was on sale. You changed the password, now I'm locked out the vault. Bad love, bad love.
So ayan mga bossing, tapos na tayo. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga workout ko sa mga susunod kong course, okay? Thank you!